This video is sponsored by Noregon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noregon.com to learn more.
It's fun to sing VMRS. Isn't it funny that one of the most popular songs ever is basically just an ad for the YMCA?
I guess so, yeah.
I was thinking we could do something like that for today's video on VMRS. It needs a catchy jingle. Most things do.
Well, you can't use the same tune as YMCA though. You have to come up with something yourself. It's gotta be good too. You can tell in the song, that guy loves the YMCA.
That's true. Let me grab my synthesizer. I'll be back.
I'll be here.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Fleet Equipment's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I'm Alex.
And I'm Allison.
It turns out I don't have my synthesizer here in the shop for some reason, so we're just going to give you the facts about today's topic. The Vehicle Maintenance Report Standards, or VMRS, have been a frequent topic on this show, and for good reason.
We'll give you the short definition. VMRS is a code system maintained by the American Trucking Association's Technology and Maintenance Council. Essentially, it's a way of translating maintenance codes into something of a universal language, no matter what terminology a shop or fleet may use to refer to a certain maintenance issue.
To really use VMRS properly, it needs to become part of the shop routine, and that means consistent training for your technicians.
Many fleet maintenance systems incorporate VMRS, so that's the easy part, but it also needs to be integrated across the entire shop maintenance process. If your diagnostic and repair solution captures VMRS data, your business systems that utilize this data must support VMRS codes as well.
One of the biggest potential pitfalls in the VMRS process is entering incorrect or incomplete data. Inaccurate data will completely defeat the point of using the system and may lead to bad decisions. Again, training and follow-up with your technicians are key. We can share with you a few VMRS tips that we've sourced from across the fleet maintenance industry. First, when onboarding equipment, make sure you have a streamlined process to input detailed equipment info.
Don't overlook valuable info. Make sure to input fields such as work accomplished, repair reason, and fail code.
Ensure that all of your tools, both on the diagnostic and repair side and on the business side, are speaking the same VMRS language.
And finally, make sure you're reviewing the data, both for accuracy and to gain some insight into the trucks.
Despite all of its benefits, many shops don't use VMRS data. What are they missing out on? We asked our partners at Noregon that question, and here's what they had to say.
VMRS, or Vehicle Maintenance Reporting Standard, is a data standard for coding, maintenance, and repair work on commercial vehicles. Typically, VMRS has been perceived as more of a tool for fleets, since it provides a common language for all trucks that a fleet might own and operate, and makes comparing those trucks from a maintenance and repair standpoint much easier. It was felt that there wasn't as many benefits for a garage or a shop to adopt this technology. However, if your shop is closely aligned with or does a lot of maintenance activities for fleets in your area, then it might make sense to investigate using VMRS. 1. If the fleet you serve are already using VMRS, then it makes data exchange with them much cleaner and simpler than a shop that isn't using VMRS. 2. If you're wanting to get a better handle on your own shop's productivity, then VMRS can help you ensure that you're not comparing apples versus oranges when the types of job your shop does well and the types that it doesn't do well.
Thanks for watching, and tune in again soon for another episode of Data Center.